Good Wednesday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather, and I wanted to give you a quick look at what you can expect from the weather today around the county. And just to go ahead and give you a heads up front, it's going to be hot. It's going to be really hot, and the heat index is going to be the major factor for us. Let's first of all take a look at how things are looking outside currently. You see, we're clear around the area, other than the fact that there is some dense fog out there, and we're going to see that burn off as we go through the morning hours. It should be out of here, I'd say probably by 10 o'clock at the latest, and we will start to really crank up the heat then. To be quite honest with you, the longer the fog stays around, the more that's going to be beneficial for us because it'll keep us cooler longer. But as we go through the day, we'll start to heat up. Let's go ahead and take a look at the current temperatures outside and see that we've got, for the most part, mid 70s around the area, 74 in Salisbury. Up in the mountains, you can see some upper 60s up there. But again, it's going to heat up pretty quickly for everybody here today. Dew points already in the low to mid 70s, which make it feel oppressive outside. That's just going to continue to get worse as we go through the day. And what's the driving factor for us here is there is a ridge of high pressure. And we'll go ahead and get something up here to draw with to kind of give you an idea where that is. There's a ridge of high pressure that is running right kind of in through there, and it is the driving factor for our weather today. It is going to continue to keep cool, dry air away from us today and keep the rain chances completely down for us. Not even a real decent shot at any kind of rain, but we've had enough over the last couple of days. 4 to 6 inches around the county, so depending on where you are, you've gotten quite a bit of rainfall, and we certainly need to dry out today. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we can expect with the temperatures as we go through the day, because they are going to heat up. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up here. We are looking at this point, this is 7 a.m. this morning, and you can see that it's 74 degrees, which is not too far off of where we are. We're exactly 74. Around the county, so the models are doing real good this morning as we go through. So let's take a look now. This is 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. You start to see some 80s creeping in already by 10 a.m. this morning. We're, depending on where you are, 79 to 80, 81. And then as we continue to go through the day, this is 11 a.m., 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got some 90s starting to creep into the county as we get to 4 p.m. Here's 5, 6, 7. We start to cool back off. So that's the main story for today, really, again, is going to be the fact that we're going to see some hot temps, heat index around 100 degrees. So make sure if you're outside working to stay hydrated and make sure that you limit outdoor activities. It's certainly a good time to get out there and do it. But again, you just got to be real careful about it. As far as the forecast goes over the next few days, big shout out to SA Sloop Heating and Air Conditioning. They sponsor our forecast. So if you mention that you saw the forecast on Rowan County Weather, they're going to give you $25 off your first time service call. As far as the weather goes, the forecast for the next 5 days, we're going to see a high of around 89 degrees today. Low of 72. Again, the heat index is going to be the big story today. Thursday, high of 92, sunny skies, and a low of 71. Heat index again on Thursday going to be the big story. So make sure you stay hydrated again today and tomorrow. I know I keep repeating that, but it bears repeating because it can become an issue for you if you have underlying health issues. On Friday, we're going to see partly sunny skies with a high of 90, low of 68. And then as we go through the overnight hours, Friday into Saturday, some big changes come because a cold front moves into the area. We're going to drop from 90 on Friday down to a high of 81 on Saturday, low of 61. The dew points could be back into the 50s, which are going to make it feel really, really good outside. And then on Sunday, the cool air hangs around. We'll have partly sunny skies, high of 82, and a low of 62 on Sunday. So again, we just got to get through the next 3 days here with the heat. I can't stress enough, make sure you stay hydrated if you're outside doing some work. But we'll keep you updated on Rowan County Weather on our Facebook page, Twitter page, Instagram, and at RowanCountyWeather.com. As always, thank you for following us, and have a great Wednesday, everybody.